So we are about to take our business class flight to Rome on Alitalia, and then when we're there, we're going to check out the Casa Alitalia, which is their brand new lounge in Rome that's designed to replicate a beautiful Roman home with the hospitality and the food and things like that. In addition to the lounge stuff, it's also designed as a showcase for the best in Italian products. So it's going to be interesting to see that. What else? Spending a week here in Rome, and actually first I'm going to head up to Milan for a stay at the Principe di Savoia, which is the Dorchester Collections hotel there in Milan, and then back to Rome to check out a couple hotels, including the newly reopened and renovated Hotel Eden. Okay, I'm all set up in my cool little business class cocoon here aboard Alitalia, headed to Rome with some Ferrari sparkling wine. Very nice. You can read about my trip, Business Traveler Magazine, GoWellTravel.com, and LuxuryFred.com. Cheers. Okay, it's Luxury Fred again here aboard Alitalia, and I wanted to give you kind of a mid-flight seat tour with me in the seat. Okay, so I have a nice big seat with lots of foot room, although my stuff is down there, and then we have our pillow and blanket. We have the in-flight monitor there, the IFE, the in-flight entertainment system. Over here is our tray table for eating. Down here we have our electrical connection for charging, power outlet. We have a little storage space here with some bottled water and our headphones. Here we have the in-flight entertainment system control thing, and this comes out so you can choose movies and things like that, or play games or type things with the keyboard. You have your seat controls here, so you have 3 different types of massage. Then you have this little lumbar support that comes out. This puts the seat back and forward, and then this moves the bottom part of the seat back and forth. And then this is preset to fully flat bed, relaxing, and then in-flight upright. Have a little kind of flat space up here, along with magazines. And what else? I think that is it. And again, the seat becomes a nice flat bed that covers this area here. And you can see that the configuration on the plane is 1-2-1. So we have good space between the seats and good personal space as well. So that concludes the seat tour. So we're ready to get into the appetizer, which is a potato flan served with a pink salt fennel salad. And then we also have some wine from the Piedmont region, from Barbera, I believe is the winery, the producer. And Piedmont is in the north of Italy, near France, so it's known for its excellent wines. And they've asked that I let this breathe for a couple of minutes before I try it. Okay, here's our first course, agnolotti pasta with a white meat sauce. This is homemade by the Alitalia chefs in the Alitalia kitchen. Okay, and here is the main course. So we have lamb loin in a hazelnut crust, served with gravy, butter, asparagus, and rosemary potatoes. special Italian dessert wine, Semeli, Nascito de Segretino, from Cesarini Sartori. Hope I said that correctly. Okay, so we just landed here in Rome, and of course I have to check out the cockpit. This is an Airbus A330, and we had an unbelievably wonderful flight on Alitalia. And now, let's go to Rome.
Thank you, Ed. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. Thank you for everything. Okay, here we go. Official. Okay, here we are, Frederick Sherman. Okay, thank you. Okay, so it's Luxury Fred, and we've arrived in Roma, and we're here with Luana from Alitalia, and she is graciously helping us get ourselves to the Leonardo Express, which will take us right into the center of Rome, actually to Termini. Is that what it's called? Termini Station. And then right from there, we're going to hop a train to go to Milan for a couple days and start our Italian adventure.